Welcome to Sparks Toyota. My name is Cody Kidd. I'm one of the sales and leasing consultants here. Let's go outside so I can show you one of our newest arrivals. Here we have our 2015 Toyota Highlander LE. It has a clean Carfax report with only one previous owner and comes equipped with power heated outside mirrors and integrated turn signals. Chrome window trim, deep tinted glass. The 2015 Toyota Highlander remains a top choice in third row family crossover class. This Highlander has 18-inch 5-spoke machine-faced alloy wheels with all-season tires with lots of tread left. There's also a spare tire and low tire pressure warning system for convenience and safety. As you can see, this Highlander is in great condition. It has full automatic projector beam halogen daytime running lamps with delay off, along with heated wipers and a really nice black grille with chrome surround to tie it all together. Under the hood, you have a 4-cylinder engine with automatic transmission. This Highlander has front-wheel drive and is estimated the driver received 21 miles per gallon on average. At the back of the Highlander, you can see the lip spoiler, along with a rear wiper, large brake lights, sleek chrome badging. Looking at the cargo area, you can see it's very spacious, and the back seats fold down for more space as needed. This cargo area also features cargo lights for packing and unpacking at night. This Highlander even has a comfortable third-row seating option for carpooling with family and friends. Passengers in the second row will be excited to find their very own climate controls and can utilize the fold-down armrest with cup holders, as well as seatback storage. There's also child safety door locks for peace of mind. The front of the cabin is very well appointed, with nice chrome and metal-like interior accents. You have a large console with storage, plenty of cup holders, and a power outlet. This Highlander is also equipped with a locking glove box. Here are the easy reach controls for the power side mirrors, power door locks with auto lock, power windows with front row 1 touch up and down. This Highlander is very comfortable tilt telescoping steering wheel with on-wheel controls for cruise, audio, and Bluetooth features. It's also equipped with a very well lit instrument cluster. This touchscreen display is home for your multimedia features and is paired with 6 speakers. This includes your classic AM/FM radio and CD player. It's MP3 and Bluetooth compatible, and you can easily connect devices using USB or auxiliary ports. This advanced system even has voice recognition. You also have climate control, and everything you see here is very easy to use. Take a look at the backup camera. It's very clear, and the guidelines make backing up a breeze. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 888-272-5869 or visit us at our website, sparkstoyota.com.